Hi there, in this video tutorial I will show you how you can easily add a scene-on banner to your Shopify store. You can add a classic static logo banner like in my first example, or a trendy one with marquee or scrolling logos effect. You can place title on the top or on the left. And before we start, just a few words why these banners are so popular and works so effective. Social proof is one of the strongest psychological triggers in electronic commerce, and when your shoppers see logos of brands you mentioned in, they are more likely to feel safer and buy from your store. And also this banner is a great signal for Google, because it's not just your customers who trust you more. Google does too, because search engines use this as ranking factors, and having a scene-on or featured in section shows Google that your store has credibility, and it's like a strong quality signal. Okay, let's start. We'll need to install web scrolling logo app from Shopify App Store. I will add the link to the description to this video. So install the app and go to the app's dashboard. Here we go. On the first step, let's activate the widget. We will redirect to our store and just need to make sure this toggle is on and press save button. Great, let's close this, and we see that widget is enabled and will be visible on our storefront. Then press create a new banner button. I have pre-built banners. You will need to create your first one. On the left side we have all our settings, and on the right we see the preview. In our case we'll use static banner, so I switch to static one, and need to upload my logos instead of placeholders. I recommend to use logos in SVG format. It's the best option. You can also use PNG. It also works good. Okay, let's delete placeholders, and I will add my press logos. Here I can also add a link to the press article optionally, and let's upload logos one by one. On the right I see the preview. App is really user-friendly. Okay, and the last one, logo. Great. Let's save changes. I also want to change my title to the scene-on. Optionally I can add also subtitle, but this version is minimal, and let's use just the title. I can also choose a position for the title. Let's left it on the top, and I want to change a little bit my styling. I want to add spacing to the logos, like 30 pixels. Okay. We can also change the color of the background and a lot of other options. I will left the default settings. Just we add a little more spacing between logos. Okay. And it's time to add our banner to the Shopify store. I save my last changes, and here we have two options how to add. It depends on you have Shopify 2.0 stores, it's most number of themes, or legacy themes. And if you have legacy themes, you will need to copy custom HTML code and paste in your theme code editor. We will use the first option. So let's copy our banner ID code and press go to theme editor button. Will automatically redirect to our store. I see that the section with theme app fab logo banner was added. I choose it and just copy paste my code. I see the preview, great. Let's also choose the position for our banner. I can move it on the page. The best position and most popular, it's after hero image at the top of the page, on the main page. Or you can also choose any page where you want to place this banner. The same way you can also add multiple banners, so app give you a flexibility. Okay, let's press save. Give a few seconds or up to 1 minute to the banner will be shown on your live store. I see that it was successfully added. So this is it. Thank you for watching. It was quick and simple. So if you like the video, please press like button and see you on the next tutorials. Bye bye.